today we're going to make some ice cream with some fresh blackberries. And what I'd really like to do is dispel the myth that you need an ice cream machine to make really perfect ice cream. The secret of this recipe is weighing the ingredients very accurately. So the three ingredients we're going to use, we've got 400 grams of blackberries that we've picked from the hedgerow. And to go with that, I've simply got 200 grams of caster sugar. And then to make it into the ice cream, I've got 240 mils of double cream. And it is important that it's double cream. It's got a high fat content, which will make it nice and creamy. It does set in the freezer overnight, and it will be soft scoop. We don't have to worry about churning it. So the first operation is to simply put the blackberries into a saucepan and add the sugar. Turn them on. And all I want to do with those is just cook them so the juice comes out of the blackberries. And then what we'll do when they're cooked is we'll rub them through a very fine sieve to get the juice and the pulp out. Okay, then the blackberries had about 5 minutes on the stove. And what you can see what's happened now is they've all broken down and produced that lovely juice. So all I need to do with those is pour them through a fine sieve. And then with the spatula I'm going to rub the pulp through the sieve. So all I have left in the sieve is just the pips. And it's quite important that we get as much of the body of the blackberry through as possible. Actually already you can see what a fantastic colour it is. It's much easier to do this when it's hot. It's quite hard to get the pulp through when it's gone cold. To do it when it's hot. Alright. So I'm happy with that now. All I've got left are the seeds and a few of the brambly top bits that were in there. Just to simply mix that together so you can just see what a lovely colour it is. Just going to let that cool down and then into the fridge, and then we'll bring it back and put the cream in, and then that'll be our ice cream ready. Okay, so we've got the bowl out of the fridge. It's gone nice and cold now. I'm simply going to add to it 240 mils of double cream. It must be double. And then I'm just going to I don't want to whisk it to get any air into it. I'm simply whisking it just to mix it together. And you can see now what a fantastic colour that is. So that's ready now to pop into the freezer. And I like to pop it into one of these plastic tubs with a lid. There we go. Simply I can cover it. It stops all the ice forming on the top. It also means that I can sort of store it nicely as well. Blackberry ice cream really is that simple. So on with the lid, into the freezer, and best left overnight. Okay, so I've got the ice cream. It's been in the freezer overnight. And you can see now that it's set as ice cream would.